Okay, yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are basically going to be looking at how to save and how to open a Word document. Let us begin off with the easiest and most simple way ever we can open up a Word document. So I want you to look at your desktop, then move on to the left bottom corner. You're going to see a Windows icon, what we call the startup menu. So you double click, and then in the search bar you're going to type Word. So we have Word 2013, and then you come and double click, and your document should be able to open up immediately. That is the first way we can open up a Word document is by looking for it in the startup menu. Then we can also click the Windows button, and then we navigate and move all the way down. Under M. So when we look at M here, we have a number of programs. You have Mail, Maps. Then you look for Microsoft Office. This is what we call a software suite. This is the Microsoft Office software suite. So you're going to click on that Microsoft Office software suite, and then it is going to bring for you a drop down menu. And now in that drop down menu, you're going to have a list of programs. As you can see, we have Access 2013, we have Database Compare, Excel, InfoPath Designer, InfoPath Filter. Then you're going to look for the desired program you're looking for, which is Word. So you're going to come to Word, and then you double click. You double click on Word, it should be able to open up immediately. That is way number 2. Then the other ways we can open up a Word document is by using special shortcuts. Shortcut number 1, you're going to look at your keyboard, look for the Windows icon. And then you're going to press Windows plus R. So you're going to press Windows together with R, and then you should have a pop-up menu like this. Now in that pop-up menu, you're going to type Win Word. Win as in W-I-N, then Word, no spacing. Then you press OK. Just like that, your Word document should be able to open. So if we don't use that program, alright, so I think now we have looked at the different ways we can open up a Word document. So we can now ably proceed and see how we can save a Word document. So we have opened up a Word document here. Yes, and then maybe we have maybe we can say Regan is intelligent. Regan is intelligent. So maybe this is the content of your document. So we can now come and click on File. Under your Word document, you're going to look at the top left upper corner where there's File. Click on File. You click on File, look for that option of Save As. Double click on Save As, then you come to Browse. If you have a specific location where you want to save your particular document. Then for this case, I want to save my document on the desktop. So you click onto Desktop. Then under Desktop, I already have my folder labeled Regan. So I click into that folder Regan. then we come and type, or we rename the document. I want to rename it intelligent. That is the name of my document, intelligent. Now before you click save, before you click enter, take note on this particular context here. We have file name. Under file name we have intelligent, then save as type. Now under this you have to be very keen. This is very important, in that if I'm to save my document intelligent using the default option, which is save as type Word document, this document will only be able to operate on Windows or Microsoft Office 2013. So if I transfer this document onto a PC that has a different version of Microsoft Word, it will not be able to open. So to avoid such, you come and click on this drop down arrow, and then you're going to look for Word 97 to 2003. Word 97 to 2003 document. I hope you can see that. Word 97 to 2003, then you click on that Word 97 to 2003 document. This save as type allows us to open our Word document on whichever Microsoft Office package that you may be having, be it Microsoft Office 2010, 2013, it will be able to run normally. Yes, that is very important, and you need to take note of that. So when you're done with that, you click on save, and our document has been saved. So after saving, we can close, and then we can now navigate on the desktop to look for our folder Regan. Open Regan, double click and open Regan. We can see that our document has been successfully saved. So we can now tap on intelligent. That is if we want to make any edits. Yes, that was it for today's lesson. Have a lovely evening, and I hope we were able to pick something from today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Yes, stay tuned for the next video.